With the rise of a new sun, what do you see? A new hope? A novel vision? A renewed purpose? We saw it all in a strand of metal. We saw the story of a new world, a promise of a sustainable tomorrow. Ambica Steels India Limited, introducing stainless steel wires. Building tomorrow's dream, begin with today's innovation. Welcome to the realm where growth, trust and social responsibility converge. Amidst the rhythmic hum of machinery and the diligent work of skilled hands, Ambica Steels India is rising to become a pivotal producer of stainless steel wires within a vast 100-acre facility in Mokhana, Gujarat. Founded from the legacy of Ambica Steels, our roots run deep, grounded in the same purpose that has always driven us: quality. Hosting 3 units spread over 50,000 square meters, this is not just a factory that makes stainless steel. This is where over 350 skilled people find their source of empowerment. Each wire that journeys from our facility finds its home within the pivotal sectors of the economy, making it stronger, safer and more sustainable. Purposed with excellence and steered by a technology-first mindset, Ambica Steel India's sincere investments in leading-edge equipment and the finest talent empower us to deliver the finest quality with a touch of distinction.
At Ambica, our belief is investing cutting-edge machinery that increases automation, leading to substantial improvement in our product quality. Our wire manufacturing machineries ensure efficiency, precision and reliability, giving our customers better value and faster delivery.
Each strand produced here embodies finesse, strength and versatility, holding a profound sense of trust, a sentiment valued dearly by us. At Ambica, our passion extends beyond manufacturing. Every decision we make, every innovation we pursue is driven by a single goal: how can we serve our customers better? Upholding this core of trust and quality are our esteemed certifications and rigorous verification processes, ensuring that all products carry our essence: excellence. Our steel has been a part of countless projects, linking us to every corner of the globe, fostering deep connections with 2,000 plus customers spanning 75 nations, carrying our seal of trust. In the heart of Ambica family runs a profound sense of connection, ensuring the safety, happiness and well-being of our community. This bond extends beyond our walls in the way we designed our environment to nurture sustainable surroundings.
At Ambica Steels India, we have been setting and reshaping standards for value-added stainless steel since more than 50 years. Our commitment goes beyond quality and technology to include safety, sustainability and a purpose to improve continuously. Ambica Steels is creating its legacy for growth of our customers, suppliers, our colleagues and all other stakeholders.
As we ride on the legacy of quality and integrity, we are fueled by a resolute purpose, transcending beyond manufacturing wires, weaving strands of a stronger and more prosperous tomorrow. Ambica Steels India Limited, building tomorrow with steel.